I have a level of education and awareness on certain things, and I can bring that and teach my client how to better elevate their ideas so it makes sense from both form, function, aesthetic, so it all can kind of come together. But I think that that's without a doubt probably the most like rewarding part of it, is being able to have that connection with my client, to where we have an open dialogue, to where it's not all about me, 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 and it is really about them, but it's just me doing it in the way that this is my job. It's no different than the reason why I go to an accountant. Like, they know how to work with numbers. This girl's horrible at it. I try, but I can't do it. So why would I rely on me to really take care of all of that sort of thing? It's no different. And that's why you hire a designer. You really don't hire a designer, in my opinion, so much to like basically have me project manage something, or not have my input at all, because then it's like, well, what really is the point? Ultimately, you just want to DIY, and that's totally fine. And everybody can have that moment and do it really well. We see it all over any social media form. But I think, again, it's the collaborative portion of it, where you're bringing in another level of expertise mixed with your kind of desires and your ideas, and then you got like this boom explosion of like, awesome, you know what I mean? So I think that's kind of like, that's it. That's it right there.